Hello and welcome to the Insight with Student on revenue generation, turning ideas into income. I am Kanika Sharma, Assistant Professor in School of Computer Application. Today I am joined with Anmol Bajaj, a BCA second year student who is the startup CEO of Jonout, and he is doing well in his startup. It is a student venture which is established in the LPU Insight. So let's begin with the Anmol. So I'll be asking about your journey with Jonout. So Anmol, what is the source of inspiration for your this startup?
My biggest inspiration was my personal needs and the student life experiences. So I've always been passionate about gaming, pop culture, music and movies. So whenever I needed or thought of buying related merchandise, it was quite expensive or the designs were not good. So in the same way, I thought other students would also be facing that problem as well. And there was no brand which was serving them this thing. So I thought of getting that gap into an opportunity.
Okay, so can you tell me what are the marketing strategies you have adopted to expand your this business idea?
The marketing strategies I adopted, like creating engaging reels on Instagram and making good offers so that the people would be attracted and come to the store as well.
Okay, so have you faced any challenges while you were establishing your the startup?
Yes, the main challenge I faced in the beginning was balancing my student life as well as my college life.
And how you have overcome those challenges?
So it was getting quite difficult for me for managing all the work, like designing and getting the stuff, finding suppliers. So for that, I created a proper team and divided each and every work to them.
Okay, so how much revenue you have generated till date?
Till date, I have generated over 2 lakh.
Okay, can you tell me what types of categories of products you are selling?
Like for the time till now, we are selling customized jewelry, posters, anime related merchandise that could be t-shirts, keychains.
And who are your target audience?
Like talking about the target audience, that would be the age group from 16 to 30 years.
Okay, so any message that you want to give to your juniors, like how you have established so that we can motivate those students also that this is our student who has successfully running his business. So that the tips you want to give to your juniors.
Like from my experience, I would like to tell them only one thing, that don't be afraid of failure. Every failure will teach you something and it would be a lesson for your whole life.
Okay, Anmol, do you want to discuss about how you have used technology to expand your business or to grow your business?
So the technology, it has played a very important role. In the beginning, I was using Canva, and after that, I shifted to Adobe Premiere, After Effects for creating videos and also creating more designs, which helped me a lot. And also, I will be working on creating an app and website as well for my startup.
So how this startup is impacting your life? Is it having a positive impact, and how it is just helping you getting things done in the more accurate way?
In my opinion, it is giving great lessons like how to manage team. It is teaching me that how can I be a good leader, how can I manage team, and how can I balance my time in all the things.
Okay, so thank you Anmol for your valuable time. So this is our student Anmol from BCA second year who is successfully running his business named John Out. So we are wishing you very best of luck, and we are looking for the more entrepreneurs who are going to start their business idea in the LPU itself, and we want to see them shining and growing in their business needs. Thank you.